name is Thibaud, and before joining Codesser, I used to be a brewer, hence the theme of my app, which is a tool that helps small brewers as well as home brewers to create recipes, manage their recipes, and also share their recipes with other users. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So when we arrive on the homepage, if we're not logged in, we have a message that asks us to sign up or log in. Part of the app is also available in French because I wanted to experiment with translation. So if we log in, then we have 3 buttons. I can go to my recipes, to the recipe calculator, or I can go and discover new recipes. If I go to my recipes, then I can see all the recipes that I have in my library. But if I'm not happy with this, I can go and discover new recipes that have been made by different users. Here, for example, if I like the Amber Fizz, I can import it into my library. And then if I go in my library, I can see that it's there. But if I'm still not happy with all the new recipes that I can discover, I can go to the recipe calculator. And here I can add a new name, an image for my beer, description. And then based on the specifications, such as the ABV or the bitterness, the final gravity, which is the sugar that's left in the beer at the end of the process, the app will calculate the correct amount of ingredients. And I can also add different types of malts, of hops, different mash steps, which is a step in the brewing process. And I can also add different dry hops. But if I don't want to do this manually, I can also just activate the Beertron 5000, which will just generate a random beer for you. I can't guarantee that it's good beer, but it will be brewable, sort of. And then if you're happy with this, this one is called the Awesome German. You can submit, and the Awesome German is in your library. And now if you want to brew it, you can just go and see the recipes, see all the ingredients that you need. Here, let's say that you want to brew 30 liters. The app will adjust all the quantities for you. And then you can start a brew. Here you have a checklist where you can check that you have all the ingredients. Then there's different timers for the different steps of the brewing process. So here it's counting down. Once it arrives to 0, this turns green and tells you that it's finished. Then you can start the next one. Then when you're done, you can start the boil timer. And then when it's time to add these different hops, so here, for example, at 50 minutes before the end of the boil, the app will tell you to add this hop, and you can just check it to remember that you added it to your beer. Then you can say that you transferred, for example, 29 liters to the fermenter. You submit. Then the app will tell you how much yeast to add. You can say that you have this amount of beer, and then it will give you a dry hop schedule, so you know exactly when to dry hop your beer. And this is my app, so I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will enjoy the apps of all the other students. Bye.